Hi everyone, how have you been? I have been gone for 8 months, I believe. I counted not too long ago. I was like, I have not made a freaking video in 8 months. And my little sister keeps saying like, when are you gonna make a video? When are you gonna make a video? And I'm just like, I don't know. You know, I had a death in the family. My grandma passed away. So, you know, I was dealing with that. I was driving back and forth to Minnesota to go see her when she was in hospice. So I was dealing with that. I took some, you know, time for myself, and I kept telling myself, I was like, all right, you're gonna go back to making a video when everything is like chilled out. Like you're cool, like everything's good, and you're like, your mind is on the right track. But you know, 1 month turned into 2 months to 8 months, and it's like, it's never gonna be a perfect time. So like, just do it. So anyways, I have so much that I have been buying. So I've been buying like a bunch of like ColourPop like kits, like the new kits they've been coming out with. And I actually bought, when it came out, I literally scored it before it went out of stock. I bought the Lizzie Mcguire collection. So this is what it looks like. And this is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna review it. So I bought the Lizzie Mcguire collection. I showed you guys before I had to clean my lens here. And with this collection, I bought the entire thing. So like, we're gonna try all of it as much as my face will let me. I did most of my makeup already. I did my skin and stuff. I am sweating profusely right now because it is hot as hell in this office. And I don't have AC in here because then you guys wouldn't be able to hear me. So anyways. So right out the top of it, I got these two things, which I am not like, I was never like a juicy tube kind of like lip gloss girl. I was walking around with crusty lips. Like I barely wore chapstick as well, but like my lips used to crack. But I now love like glosses, plumping glosses, especially like the Too Faced one is way too strong for me. So like I can't wear that one that much. But I wanted to try these ones out, but I also just wanted the whole collection in general because I am a Lizzie Mcguire stan, Hilary Duff stan. I still am obsessed with her. Like, I wanted to be her so bad. And then right next to those on top, we have these, I think these are the Lip Plumper Lip Scrub, Glitterly Obsessed. It's a glitter gel, and then another glitter gel. I have not opened any of this. Like, I literally wanted to open these for you guys because, oh my God, it's even the same font. They use the same font. I am just like a hot mess. I think I'm just gonna open them. So this is the Press Powder Blush. I'm gonna open it for you guys so I'm not just showing you guys the outer box. So this is the Lizzie Mcguire blush. They did that so good. I love more like peachy colors, but like I was still gonna buy this no matter what. Let me open up these lip scrubs too. So let's go back to those lip scrubs. So this is the lip scrub that they gave. Is it upside down? Yeah, it is. Oh, I can't wait to use this. It's supposed to smell like bubblegum, I think. Oh my God. It smells like bazooka. Let's do the glitters here too. Also, like, y'all, I dyed my hair multiple times since I've been gone. I extended my chunk here. My chunk, I have a lot of chunk all over my body, but I extended it down so like it kind of hugs my face, because I used to do that like back in middle school and high school, and I was like, I used to love that. And then I realized very quickly why I stopped, because I wake up and my face is blue. Like I sweat all day, all night. Like PCOS got your girl sweating. And so I'm gonna be swatching the glitter. Bitch, that is so pretty. I'm gonna swatch the other one as well. So those are those. Look at that. This is the palette. I'm so excited. I used to sit in my room. I used to have this pink little DVD player. It was like Disney, I think. And like it was just like a small pink like DVD player, not DVD player, a CD player. And the Metamorphosis like CD that Hilary Duff came out with, I know every single song by heart, and I know the exact order because I literally would just sit there in my room and listen to it on repeat nonstop, and then I would watch the movie like all day as well. So, and then right down here is the actual palette of colors, which I think is gorgeous. I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna do lime green. I wonder, like, what is like the one Lizzie Mcguire episode that you like that y'all remember, like that's prominent in your head? I think for me it's the one where, like, it wasn't even my favorite episode, but I think it was crazy when like Lizzie Mcguire was like upset because she wanted to get a bra, and I was just like, I hated wearing bras. Like, I kept telling my mom, like, I don't want to wear one. So that episode always made me laugh. And obviously the iconic episode with, what's his name, Aaron Carter, that was a moment. We all had that moment. All right, so we're gonna go straight in with the flat brush here that I have, flat-ish brush, like a packing brush. And I'm gonna go straight in with Don't Freak. It's this green one here. And we're gonna see how this goes. Oh my God. Hopefully you guys can see the color payoff right now. This is crazy. There is a little fallout, but like, you know, it looks really nice. I'm just packing on this color here. We're going straight like grade school. Like, we're going all out here. Oh, there's a butterfly outside. You guys probably hear them crickets. Them crickets are loud. And if you don't, they're loud as hell. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with this glitter. Now this glitter is the one I was saying that has like the greenish multicolored glitter in it. This one's called Sing to Me, Paolo. She said,
Sing to me, Paolo.
And he said, voice crack. What did he say? You work for me. Goes, no, I don't work for you no more. And then the security guard goes, Paolo cannot sing. And I was just like, betrayal. He said, I don't care about no paycheck. All right, so right out the bat, the glitter is taking off the green eyeshadow that we did work with earlier, but like that's a given. Stuff like this usually happens. All right, let's go ahead in. Oh, okay. This one has more of a pigment to it. This one is like, it's probably taking up a little bit of the eyeshadow, but you can't see it because it's got like a base pigment to it. So the other one was more of a clear base because it is like a clear multicolor glitter one. But this one has got a pink base to it. We are living for this look, okay? Now don't come at me because we're gonna take a little bit of this pinkish orangey color and we're gonna try to like dust some of this in there. All right, so this is what our eyes are looking like. Not gonna lie to you guys, it's separating like pretty badly. Pretty freaking badly. I think I made a mistake. I'm gonna go in with some blush now because I wanna like look cute. So we got that blush called You Are Magnifico. And then this one is a Delish. Delish. And then this one's the pastel pink one. I think I'm gonna do the pastel pink one just cause like I know that I'm gonna like the darker one. So I wanna try the pastel one because we've got a ton of stuff going on this face right now. Okay, y'all. I'm obsessed with this right now. Okay, I already applied my mascara, my lashes. I did some lower lash line mascara. I put my lashes on. I'm trying out the Salon Perfect Demi collection. It's called Amplify Eye. They're the 691s, and that's what I'm wearing today. They're very wispy, but they're like a thicker lash band. They're gorgeous. And this is what it comes in. I got them from Walmart. They're so pretty. I saw someone else using them and I was like, those are gorgeous. So $9 for a 2-pack and they cute. All right, so I also applied a lip liner, like a pale lip liner with a matte, like really light lipstick as well. I'm gonna swatch the lip glosses. I think I'm gonna wind up doing the clear one, but we'll see how they look. So the first one I have up top here, this is Ethan Craft, okay? This next one is Gordo. And then this one's Lizzie, which is the clear one. And then this one right down here is like the pinky bubblegum color one right here. And this one is Miranda. They're all really pretty. And it's like, I don't know if it's catching it really that much up here, the color on them. Very, very subtle. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply the clear one, just so. Oh my God, it smells just like a bubble gum. I'm going juicy, y'all. We're gonna have juicy lips today. Oh shit, I feel it. I'm a baby when it comes to lip plumpers. Well, if my sister was here right now, she'd be like, oh my God, your lips look too juicy. Okay, y'all. So I added these. This is actually from Mike's little sister's graduation party. She had her little graduation party and these are so cute. She had like Barbie theme. So I put those on top. Like I said, I bought this collection for collection purposes. Like I love Lizzie Mcguire, and so I wanted to get this collection. Now I appreciate y'all for staying around this long if you have. Just because I know it's been 8 months I've been gone, but I appreciate the people that do sit and watch my videos, and I always appreciate any kind of support. And I'll see you guys soon. I have another makeup review that I want to do. I'm excited about that one as well. It's also something from my childhood, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!